Here is how to shrink a PDF so it fits email or job application size limit. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. Most email and job portal cap file size. This fixes that in second. Go to this website, link in the description below. Click Compress PDF. Upload your resume or document. Select extreme compression for smallest size, or you can play around to find your perfect match if you want. Click compress and download. Now, while under must upload links. That's it. Ready to attach anywhere. In the next video, we'll talk about converting a PDF into an editable Excel file. Peace out.